Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss important multiple choice questions on phylum Annelida. Hemoglobin is found dissolved in blood plasma of cockroach, earthworm, rabbit, frog. It is in earthworm. Next one, the earthworm move with the help of CT, muscles and hydrostatic skeleton. CT alone, muscles alone, parapodia. Correct option is first, CT, muscles and hydrostatic skeleton. In earthworm, the typhlosoal is a part of reproductive tract, intestine, nephridium, circulatory system. It is the correct answer second, intestine. Clitellum in earthworm includes segments 14, 15, 16, first three segments, last three segments, segments 19, 20, 21. First option is correct, segments 14, 15 and 16. Locomotion in earthworm is directly facilitated by mucus secreted by epidermis, segmentation of body, rhythmic contraction of individual segments, CT. Last option is correct, CT. Pharyngeal nephridia of Pheretima posthuma are in the segments of third, fourth, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 6, 7, 8. Second option is correct, it is 4, 5, 6. Role of typhlosoal in earthworms is to control flow of blood, produce digestive enzymes, increase absorptive surface area, kill bacteria. Third option is correct, increase absorptive surface area. A skeleton-like function during locomotion is performed in earthworm by alimentary canal laden with the mud, coelomic fluid, blood, ventral nerve cord. Second option is correct, coelomic fluid. Structures typically found in every segment of earthworms are ganglia, lateral hearts, genital ducts, septal nephridia. First option is correct, it is ganglia. Earthworms respire by ctenidia, moist skin, clitellum, typhlosoal. Moist skin, second option is correct. The blood pigment of earthworm is hemoglobin, hemocyanin, hemine, cyanin. First option, it is hemoglobin. The excretory organs in earthworms are body wall, flame cells, nephridia, Malpighian tubules. It is nephridia is the correct option. Third point. Blood is red, but there are no blood cells in earthworm and leeches, cockroach, birds, reptile. First option, earthworms and leeches. In Pheretima, exonephric excretion takes place by septal nephridia, integumentary nephridia, pharyngeal nephridia, integumentary and pharyngeal nephridia. Second option is correct, it is integumentary nephridia. In Pheretima, sperms are stored in oviduct, testes, spermathecae, prostate gland. It is spermathecae. Accessory glands of earthworm occur in segments 17 and 19, 17 and 18, 18 and 19, 19 and 20. Correct option 17 and 19. Leech is free living, parasitic, vector, all of these. It is parasitic. Which one is a bisexual animal? Leech, ascaris, honeybee, housefly. Correct option leech. Segment of earthworm bearing mouth is clitella, peristomium, prostomium, deuterostomium. Second option correct, that is peristomium. Segments having male genital pores in earthworm 10th and 11th, 13th, 14th, 18th. Correct option is 18th. Chlorogogan cells of earthworms are analogous to vertebrates. Kidneys, gut, liver, lungs. Correct option is liver. In earthworm, the chromophil cells serve to secrete mucus, regulate skin color, store fats, secrete saliva. Fourth option is correct, secrete saliva. Vessel in which blood from seminal vesicles of earthworm is collected, lateral esophageal, subneural, ventral, dorsal. First option correct, lateral esophageal. Septal nephridia of earthworm pour into coelom, intestine, buccal cavity, body surface. That is the second, intestine. Typhlosoal in earthworm starts from segment number 14, 17, 27, 7. It is 27. Animal which respires but has no respiratory organs. Cockroach, fish, frog, earthworm. Correct option is earthworm. Earthworm. An organ in earthworm analogous to our kidney is ovary, testis, nephridium, clitellum. Correct option is nephridium. Paired spermathecae occur in Pheretima in segments 4, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 7, 8, 6, 7, 8, 9, 3, 4, 5, 6. Correct option is 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Part of the alimentary canal of pharynx internally lined by cuticle, stomach, intestine, pharynx, gizzard. Correct option is gizzard. The terminal duct of septal nephridia of pharynx posthuma open in paired supraintestinal excretory duct directly into the intestine in paired septal excretory canals upon body surface by nephridiopores. Third option is correct, in paired septal excretory canals. Dorsal blood vessel in pharynx is distributing in first 30 segments, collecting in first 13 segments, distributing in whole body, collecting in the whole body. First option, distributing in first 13 segments. In larval stage and metamorphosis do not occur in the life cycle of Ascaris, earthworm, frog, tinea. Second option is correct, earthworm. Clitellum of pharynx is primarily concerned with copulation, excretion, sexual dimorphism, production of cocoon. Fourth option is correct, production of cocoon. The female genital pore of pharynx posthuma is located upon the segment 14, 16, 18, 15. First option, it is 14. Structures present only in 7th and 9th segments of pharynx posthuma are lateral hearts, pharyngeal nephridia, ganglia, spermatozoa. First option, lateral hearts. Fertilization in pharynx posthuma occurs in spermatozoa, cocoon, coelom, seminal vesicle. Second option is correct, it is cocoon. Earthworm is known to possess lateral hearts, lateral ventricles, lateral spiracle. It is lateral hearts, first option. Earthworms are mainly urotelic, aminotelic, urotelic. They are both urotelic as well as aminotelic. Now the next one, flow of blood in dorsal vessels of earthworm is backwards in half of it and forwards in another half. Forwards, none of this. Correct option is forwards. Blood vascular system of earthworm is of open type, closed type, portal type, none of this. It is closed type. Lateral esophageal heart in earthworms connect dorsal vessel to ventral vessel, dorsal vessel to subesophageal vessel, dorsal vessel to subneural vessel, lateral esophageal vessel to subneural vessel, dorsal vessel to ventral vessel. Photoreceptors in earthworms occur in epidermis of ventral body wall, skin of peristomium, skin of prostomium, epidermis of dorsal body wall. Fourth option is correct, epidermis of dorsal body wall. Function of spermatozoa in earthworm is to receive sperms in copulation for storage, receive spermatogonia for maturation, receive fertilized ova for embryonic development, secrete substance that form the crotal. First option is correct, receive sperms in copulation for storage. A ventral nerve cord is found in hydra, frog, fish, earthworm. That is in earthworm. Famous Indian zoologist who wrote a monograph upon Pheretima posthuma, Haldane, J.C. Bose, K.N. Ball, Puri. Third option, K.N. Bahel. Earthworms are friends of farmers because they eat bacteria, they produce humus, they increase the fertility of the soil. Second option is correct, they increase the fertility of soil. Earthworm is placed in the group Oligochaeta, Polychaeta, Hirudania, Crustacea. First option, Oligochaeta. Earthworm has no eyes, one eyes, many eyes, two eyes. Third option, many eyes. Neurons in pharynx are sensory, motor, adjuster, all of these. All of these. Fourth option is correct. Segments having no city in earthworms, first, last, clitellar, first, last, and fourth option is correct. First, last, and clitellar. Nephridia in which nephrostomes are found, integumentary and pharyngeal, septal, pharyngeal, integumentary. It is integumentary and pharyngeal. Excretory products of earthworm is urea, uric acid, ammonia, and urea amino acid. Third option, ammonia and urea. TS of earthworm cut through 20th segment shows the presence of testes, prostate glands, clitellum, intestinal thicket. Second option is correct, prostate gland. Suckers of leech are located at anterior end of body, posterior end of body, anterior and posterior ends of body, all over the body. Third option is correct, anterior and posterior ends of the body. How many lateral hearts are found in the earthworm? 8, 4 pairs, 4 pairs, 3 pairs, 8 pairs, 6 pairs. First option, 4 pairs. Which nephridia of earthworm are exoenteronephric? Pharyngeal, integumentary, septal, none of this. It is pharyngeal. Chlorogogan cells are found in blood earthworm, blood of earthworm, coelomic fluid of earthworm, blood of cockroach, body wall of Leucosolonia. Second option is correct, coelomic fluid of earthworm. Gizzard in an earthworm serves for crushing food, secreting slime, absorbing digested food excretion. First option is correct, crushing food. Two pairs of hearts in earthworms occur in segments 6, 7 and 9, 10, 9, 10 and 14, 15, 7, 9 and 12, 13, none of these. Third option is correct, 7, 9 and 12, 13. In pheretima, hemoglobin is dissolved in plasma, occurs in red blood. RBCs absent, occurs in phagocyte. First option is dissolved in plasma. Earthworms are harmful to man, useful to man, both useful and harmful to man, found only near banks of river. Second option, useful to man. Which statement is not correct for septal nephridia of pheretima posthuma? These occurs in all segments except first 14. These are enteronephric, these are exonephric, these have complicated nephrostome. Third option, these are exonephric. Earthworms help farmers by making soil porous and increasing its fertility, reducing alkalinity and acidity of soil, causing soil erosion, destroying bacteria present in the soil. First option is correct, making soil porous and increasing its fertility. Botryoidal tissue is found in earthworm Ascaris hirudinaria rabbit. It is in Hirudinaria, that is the leeches. A sectorial mouth is present in leech, Ascaris, tapeworm, earthworm. First option is correct, it is the leech. Which of these layers is not found in the body wall of earthworm? Cuticle, epineurium, epidermis, peritoneum. It is epineurium. Correct option. Tough, though hermaphrodite, Pheretima postuma practices cross fertilization. This is because mating occurs during summer. Choose the correct answer for the following. A is true, B is false. A is false, B is true. Both A and B are true, and B is correct explanation of A. Both A and B are true, but B is not the correct. First, A is true, B is false. Which are enteronephric nephridia in earthworm? Septal, integumentary and pharyngeal, septal and integumentary only. Correct is septal only is the correct option. During copulation in earthworm, there is a mutual transfer of sperms between a copulation individuals from female genital pore to spermathecae to coccus, male pores to spermathecae, female pores to outside. First option is correct, female genital pore to spermathecae. Ventral surface of a mature earthworm can be easily distinguished from dorsal surface by absence of mid-dorsal line, presence of clitellum, presence of genital papillae, two of these. Fourth option, two of these. While burrowing, earthworm ingests soil by scratching action of prostomium, sucking action of buccal chamber, sucking action of pharynx, none of these. Third option is correct, sucking action of pharynx. A true coelom A true coelom lined by peritoneum is found in earthworm, leech, nereis, all of these. First option, it is earthworm. A prostomium overhanging upon mouth like a hood at anterior end of the body occurs in nereis, leech, earthworm, two of these. Third option is correct, it is earthworm. The substance due to which the skin of earthworm appears brown is melanin, porphyrin, hemoglobin, none of these. It is porphyrin. Which one of these is not a function of the body wall of earthworm? Sensory reception, respiration, excretion, defense. It is the excretion is the correct. Which structure helps in the locomotion of the concerned animal? Clitellum, earthworm, trichosis, paramecium, posterior sucker, hirudinaria, pedicelaria, starfish. Third option, it is posterior sucker, hirudinaria. Testes occur in earthworm in the segments 11 and 12, 12 and 13, 14 and 15, 10 and 11. Fourth option is correct, 10 and 11. Structures present in segments 7, 9, 12 and 13 in earthworms are spermatheca, dorsal hearts, lateral hearts, testes. It is the lateral hearts. Function-wise, just as there are nephridia in an earthworm, so are statocysts in prawn, flame cells in liver fluke, parotid glands in toad, myotomes in fish. Second option, flame cells in liver fluke. Spermatical pores in pheretima are located in intersegmental grooves between segments 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 14, 15, 15, 16, 16, 17, 17, 18. 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 4, 5. First option is correct, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9. That's all for today. This one. Again, we will meet in the next video with more important multiple choice questions on the other topics. Thank you.